Every thread, every color, a story anew in Embroidery creation. Dreams come into view, zardouzi and naqshi, tales of ancient rhyme, embroidered with love, standing the test of time. Dhaga's elegant dance, story work so fine. Each stitch a treasure in every design. Let artistry flourish, let beauty define. In each intricate detail, a masterpiece defined. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. Embroidery creations, where visions align. Hand embroidery's allure, a tapestry divine. visions